Let me tell you a real-world manufacturing scenario that every CISO, TPRM leader, and plant operations team should think about. Imagine it is a normal working day. Your production lines are running, dispatches are planned, customer commitments are locked, and everything looks under control. And then, one supplier gets compromised. After this discovery, the real problem starts, and I'm sure many of you have witnessed this chaos firsthand at some point. Your internal team asks a simple question: which systems does this vendor have access to? And suddenly, nobody has a clear answer. Everything is all over the place. Security has one vendor list, procurement has another, plant teams know about a few local suppliers, IT has some remote access records, and just when you think the situation cannot get worse, someone discovers that the supplier was also using subcontractors. This is where manufacturing risk becomes very different from normal IT risk. Because when a vendor issue hits manufacturing, it does not just create a security ticket. It can delay production, stop dispatches, impact OT systems, affect revenue, and business continuity. That's where SAFE TPRM changes the approach. SAFE helps global manufacturing organizations identify which vendors can actually disrupt operations. The platform also gives visibility across suppliers, OT vendors, fourth parties, shadow vendors, and the most important AI vendors, while continuously monitoring breach data, leaked credentials, high-impact vulnerabilities, and detailed supplier exposure in real time. It also automates whole evidence collection by mapping your all internal controls to frameworks like NIST and ISO 27001 and keeps teams audit-ready with far less manual effort. With our agentic AI workflows, supplier onboarding and risk reviews that normally take weeks can move much faster and reduce up 90% of the assessment times of each vendor. As a result, the outcome is simple: no spreadsheets, faster decisions, stronger operational resilience, and a clearer view of which third-party risks can impact production continuity and business operations. If you are still managing vendors through spreadsheets, emails, and outdated platforms with annual reviews, it's time to rethink the model. Book a demo of SAFE's autonomous TPRM platform from the link in the description, and let me show you how global manufacturing companies are transforming their TPRM programs with better visibility, faster decisions, and stronger operational resilience. Cheers.